Right, this is Toby, my new canary, who's singing and alarming now. He's completely yellow. Where you can see him. And you heard him singing there. Where is he? He's over there somewhere. Oop, there he is. There's an interesting thing about canaries. See, males will sing on their own. As demonstrated. You gonna sing some more? Any more, or have we done? He's actually a better singer than Jojo. But anyway, what's happened is Jojo hurt his foot by catching it on one of those. There was a nail protruding out of one of those on the other side. So I've stuck wood over it, but unfortunately Jojo cut himself and it did bleed. So I've put him in an isolation cage until Tuesday morning, just so that he can have some of Jens's Baytril antibiotics, which, believe it or not, will just stop any of the infection happening while he heals. It's not a serious wound because he can still stand on it and he can still move about, and he's not, too fussed about it. He even still sort of makes a noise. But that's what I was going to say. See, when you have two males together, one of them will stop singing and the other one won't sing so much, so long as they can see each other, because they believe that they only sing to attract a mate, you see. And if there's two of them, they clash over territories and they don't sing. Now when you get 3 or 4 males, the idea of territory goes out the window with flock. You get a flock and then they'll start to sing again. So it's been quite quiet recently because these two haven't been singing. Of course, now I've separated them and they can't see each other, they've gone mad. And he is loud as well.